Have you ever wondered how the Amish keep meat fresh with no refrigerator, freezer, or electricity? While most of us panic during blackouts, the Amish carry on as usual. Their food doesn't spoil when the power goes out because their preservation methods don't rely on electricity. Using salt, smoke, earth, and a deep understanding of nature, they've perfected food storage over centuries. This isn't just survival, it's a resilient way of life, blending science and tradition. Today, we'll reveal these time-tested techniques and see how the Amish turn potential crisis into routine. Let's step into their unplugged pantry and discover lessons we can all use. First up, salt, the original preservative. The Amish use coarse, heavy-duty salt to draw moisture out of meat, creating an environment where bacteria can't survive. They layer large cuts of pork in non-metallic containers, alternating meat and salt until everything is completely covered. Over weeks, salt pulls out moisture, forming a brine and dehydrating the meat. Sometimes they add brown sugar or spices for flavor and extra protection. After curing, the meat is soaked to remove excess salt, then stored in a cool, dry place for months. With just salt and patience, they create shelf-stable food, no freezer needed. This method is the backbone of their preservation system, using simple chemistry to keep food safe. Each family has its own twist, but the principle is the same: salt, time, and tradition. The result? Dense, flavorful meat that lasts through the seasons. No electricity, no gadgets, just pure, effective preservation. It's a process that's as much about flavor as it is about survival. The Amish have turned a basic mineral into a powerful tool for independence. This is the foundation of their food security. Salt curing is simple, reliable, and proven by generations. It's a lesson in how the simplest solutions can be the most effective. Salt-cured meat is just the start. The Amish often smoke it for extra protection and flavor. In smokehouses, meats hang from hooks while a smoldering hardwood fire below bathes them in cool, aromatic smoke. The smoke's natural compounds act as antimicrobial shields while the gentle heat continues drying the meat. This creates a tough outer layer, sealing in freshness and keeping out bacteria. Smoking isn't rushed, it can take days or weeks depending on the cut. The result is meat that's not only preserved but deeply flavorful. Smoked meats can hang in a pantry for months, ready whenever needed. The Amish master airflow and temperature with simple vents, no thermostats required. It's a blend of science and art, turning necessity into culinary tradition. Smoking adds another layer of security to their pantry. It's preservation you can taste. Another Amish secret, lard sealing, using rendered pork fat to create an airtight barrier around cooked meats. They render lard until it's pure and stable, then pack cooked meat tightly into jars. Hot liquid lard is poured over the meat, filling every gap and excluding air. As it cools, the lard solidifies, forming a natural edible seal that blocks oxygen and bacteria. The jars are stored in a cool, dark place, keeping the meat safe for months. When needed, they scoop out meat and lard for cooking. This method uses every part of the animal, turning fat into a preservation tool. No plastic, no machines, just knowledge and resourcefulness. Lard sealing is efficient, sustainable, and incredibly effective. It's a closed-loop system that maximizes every resource. The Amish proved that sometimes the old ways are the smartest. With just jars, lard, and skill, they keep ready-to-eat meals on hand year-round. It's a simple trick with powerful results. Where do the Amish store all this preserved food? In root cellars, nature's refrigerator. Built underground, root cellars use the Earth's stable temperature to keep food cool year-round. Stone or concrete walls insulate, while vents provide natural air circulation to prevent mold. Inside, it's dark, damp, and cool, perfect for storing cured meats, vegetables, and canned goods. Meats hang from rafters where the air is driest, while root crops stay moist in bins. The cellar's microclimates are used to their advantage, extending shelf life for months. No electricity, no moving parts, just smart design and a deep understanding of nature. The root cellar is the heart of Amish food storage, silent and reliable. It's a living piece of history that still works today. The Amish show how simple engineering can solve basic needs sustainably. The Amish aren't afraid to use technology that fits their values, like pressure canning, powered by propane or wood. Pressure canning raises the temperature high enough to kill even the toughest bacteria, making meat shelf-stable for years. Meat is cut, packed into jars and sealed, then processed under pressure to ensure safety. The process is precise, managing heat and pressure without modern gadgets. After cooling, jars of perfectly preserved meat are ready for the pantry. No refrigeration needed, just careful technique and a reliable heat source. This method blends old-world resourcefulness with modern science. Pressure canning lets the Amish safely store meat long-term, off the grid. It's a powerful tool for food security and independence. The result: safe, delicious meat ready whenever it's needed. The Amish adapt technology to serve their self-sufficient lifestyle. Pressure canning is their bridge between tradition and innovation. It's preservation perfected. Dehydration is one of the oldest preservation methods, removing water to stop bacteria. The Amish make jerky by slicing lean meat thin, marinating it in salty, acidic mixtures, then drying it slowly. They use sun, air, or the gentle heat of a wood stove to evaporate moisture. The key is low, steady heat, too hot, and the outside hardens before the inside dries. Finished jerky is dry, pliable, and lightweight, shelf-stable for months. It's the original portable protein, requiring no special storage. The Amish also dry other meats for soups and stews, maximizing every harvest. Dehydration is simple, effective, and requires almost no equipment. With just a knife, some spices, and patience, they turn perishable meat into lasting food. It's a testament to the power of air and tradition. Jerky is more than a snack. It's survival, Amish style. This method proves that sometimes less really is more. The Amish's smartest secret isn't just technique, it's timing. They butcher livestock in late fall and early winter when cold weather naturally preserves meat. The cold slows bacteria, giving them time to process and cure meat safely. Community members work together using the season as a giant refrigerator. Cold air helps with salt curing, sausage making, smoking, and drying. By aligning their work with nature's rhythms, they reduce risk and improve quality. No need for energy-hungry freezers, just smart planning. The Amish use the season itself as a preservation tool. It's a strategy built on foresight and deep understanding of the natural world. They don't fight the seasons, they work with them. This approach is efficient, sustainable, and perfectly tuned to the year's cycle. It's the ultimate expression of Amish ingenuity. Could you keep your pantry full if the power went out for a month? The Amish don't worry. They rely on salt, smoke, and seasonal wisdom. Their system is a masterclass in self-sufficiency, and you don't have to be Amish to learn from it. Try curing bacon, smoking fish, or canning stew, small steps toward independence. Reconnect with your food and reclaim lost skills. If you're inspired, like and subscribe for more on Amish food, egg preservation, and off-grid living. The old world isn't gone, it's just been quiet until now.